Very hot today. 34 degrees. Loving it. And it's got a feel factor today of even higher. 39 degrees is a feel factor. You can see the sweat is just pouring off of everybody walking along this gorgeous beach here in Jomtien. Everyone chilling, everyone walking slow, enjoying this beautiful weather like I am. That's why I'm here and not in England. I love teasing you all with the weather because it's so nice. Look at this thing, little coconuts there on the trees. What should we talk about today? I don't know. See who we might bump into. You never know. I love bumping into random people and chatting to them. This lady here, she's having her hair put into plaits by the look of it. There's a look of her hotels across the road, and lady here, she's counting all her money. She's counting all her money. Very rich lady. Hey, all money. Oh, she's counting all her money. Wow. Lucky, lucky. Money, lucky. Yeah, she's very good. Very good. Yeah, she's having her hair all done. Look nice. Very pretty lady. Thank you. They seem quite friendly. If you don't go up to them and talk to them, they won't talk back. It's as simple as that. And you know me. If I can interact with people, I will. I love doing that. Just got to stick your nose in from time to time. Sometimes you get your nose pushed out of joint, but that comes with a job, doesn't it? Can't win all the time. Look at these people, no shirts, enjoying the beautiful weather here along the beach. Right. Right. I don't know why she's got the umbrella up. It's certainly going to be no rain. It's to keep the sun off. It's lovely walking through here. A little bit of shade from the trees. If you're a smoker, you can smoke this side here, but once you go down onto the sand, you are not allowed to smoke. There's a non-smoking, so that's your limit. So you can smoke here, but not the other side. Have a look at the seafood you've got here. Look at this, gorgeous. This is what you can get here on Jomtien Beach. Beautiful food, beautiful. Aloy, aloy. That means delicious in Thai. Okay, aloy. He's asleep, enjoying the sun. All these people relaxing, chilling. It's just a beautiful walk along there, it really is. Get people here from all countries having a holiday break away from their winter months. That's one good thing about Thailand, is certain times of the year, especially from November right the way through to April, May, you hardly see any rain at all, which tempts so many people here. That's why I come here at that time of the year, to say bye-bye to the winter blues in England, to the sunny land of the smiles in Thailand. Oh, it's hot today, it really is, but I'm not complaining. I'm just enjoying. Another thing you won't see out here, there's no parking meters. Parking's free. You can park wherever you want. They don't take your money to park your car or motorbike. Not like they do in England. And that's one of the benefits you can enjoy here, free parking. Thing is, in England now, many of the beaches, they cash in on everything. All the shops close to the beaches and the fish and chip shops. The councils hike up the council tax deliberately, so you have to pay high prices for your food anywhere near the sea. That's not the case here in Thailand, and that's what attracts a lot of people here, is the low prices on the beaches. And it is good, there's no doubt about it. You're certainly not ripped off. Real good value for money. It's gorgeous. Come across this chap, he's regular down here. I think he's been on one of my other videos, to be honest with you. I think that's his favourite spot. Fair play to him. And the birds, they're not frightened of you. They come right up to you. Look. These pigeons. I'm within 1 feet of these birds. It's just a nice place to chill out, listen to your music. And this guy here, this is the life. Massage on the beach. It's lovely down here today, it really is. Hope you're enjoying these little walking talks. Sometimes I bump into people and have a chat to them. Sometimes no one wants to talk to me. Anyway, if you like this little video, give it a thumbs up. If you've got friends that's thinking of coming to Thailand, hit the share button. Share it with them. Show them what to expect if they come to Thailand, especially if they come to Jomtien. It's the place to come, I can tell you. This is Rick saying bye for now. and I'll see you on another video down in Jomtien along the beach very soon. Bye for now.